This may be one of the greatest meme coin trades that you've ever seen. And this just goes to show that you don't need a ton of money in order to make it big in crypto, like this guy did, turning $15 into $7,000. And what makes this even crazier is that it was done in under 2 hours. Now, if you want to do the exact same thing, then you're going to want to look out for what I call emergency meme coins. This refers to meme coins that were created in relation to an event. The hype around it is massive, but it will only last a few hours to a single day, so you've got to act quickly. Meme coins have taken on a life of their own. We now have celebrities, rappers, singers, athletes, politicians, and whatever else you've seen online get turned into meme coins.
Get in that hawk too and spit on that thing.
This means that the meme market has been infiltrated by modern day culture. So as soon as you see something go even semi-viral, the chances are that you could find a meme coin about it as well.
Now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
What you need to do is reprogram your mind so that whenever a significant event takes place, instead of running to the news, you need to be running to websites like DexScreener and PumpFun so that you can take advantage of it. In this case, it was in reference to Donald Trump's assassination attempt. Over a dozen of brand new meme coins were created in an instant, and I want to take you through them to prove to you just how easy it is to make some serious cash, as well as giving you a playbook for you to do the exact same thing. These are some of the tokens that managed to pull in well over $100 million in volume in under 2 hours, so it's going to have some pretty crazy price action. So this right here is Trump on Sol, and as you can see, this was the highest earner at the time with $11.9 million in market cap, and that shot up really quickly in just under 2 hours. Now what I want to do quickly is take a look at the top traders, and as you can see, there's a bunch of crazy trades right off the back. You've got $140 into 35,000, which is just insane, 3,000 into 37,000. And it keeps going on like this. And the cool thing about this is that not all of the trades are this big. Some of them are really small. I mean, just take a look at this one, $9 into $16,000. That's the type of thing you dream of. Now, there's a bunch of trades just like this, proving that it's normal people like you and I that just happen to be opportunistic enough. And you can see over here, we're going to see another 1,000 into 10,000. There's more, 800 into 8,000, and here's the one I was talking about, 15 into 7,000. I mean, that's a 450x by my calculations. So as you can see, some of these are really small trades, and this is only the top 100 of the list, so there's plenty of more people that made similar trades to this. So that just shows you how much opportunity is out there if you're willing to be opportunistic enough to grab it. Of course, not all Trump-related meme coins did as well as those two, and there were some that fell flat on their face. Now what you've got to do is be able to distinguish which ones will make it and which ones won't. And well, this is exactly how I break them down. By the way, if you've made it this far in the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Also, nothing that I say is financial advice, so do make sure to do your own research before making any financial decisions. To all of you, meme coins might seem like a random play on words, but trust me, it's not. There's actually a linguistic method to the madness. You see, meme coins are broken up into 3 different categories. First, you have your primary meme coins. These are the ones that would be direct copies of a slogan or subject that translates directly to the meme coin. For example, Trump would be the primary meme coin. A secondary meme would be the ear stays on, as it has a likeness to the first one, but it's referencing a specific action. Now the third is the one that you should more likely stay away from completely, as this would be a play on words in a reference to an event. For example, dodge the bullet. It's slightly vague and its significance will fade very quickly. Now these are known as derivative meme coins, meaning that they are all similar in nature, but that you should value them in descending order. So the further that the name of the meme coin strays from the actual meme, the less likely it is to succeed. Now the first thing you're going to need is a Twitter account, because there's no other platform that brings you fresh news directly from the source. Secondly, you're going to need to have either some Solana or USDT on hand, just in case anything significant occurs. We're going to go ahead and call this the Crazy Fund because that's what it is. Now this doesn't have to be much, just know that what you have right here is what you are willing to lose. So let's go ahead and pretend that this doesn't even exist. Thirdly, you're going to want to make use of websites like PumpFun and DexScreener, depending on just how risky you want to play it. Now, if you're not aware, PumpFun is a website that predates meme coin listings over on DexScreener. This means that it's where meme coins are founded and communities are formed. However, do keep in mind that the sooner you buy the meme coin, the riskier it is. Also, the sooner you buy the meme coin, the higher the reward, if you're crazy enough. If you bought into almost any of these tokens early enough, you could potentially be in the green right now, provided you followed my strategy. Now, if you're thinking of investing in Donald Trump tokens right now, please don't. This is not at all what I'm trying to teach you. Donald Trump tokens must have run out of steam by now, and the closer we get to the election period, the more price action it will see. Whatever you do, do not sit around being loyal to these tokens, hoping that they will one day go up. Trust me, you will get rug pulled. So make sure to set a target price that you're willing to work with and take things from there. Now, if you have zero cash to get started in crypto, I've got a great way for you to earn some free crypto right away. And you don't even have to invest in anything yourself. It's a brand new messaging service that's rewarding its users for helping them iron out any deficiencies that the app might have. All you have to do is send a few messages to me, chat to a few friends, and well, watch the crypto roll in every morning. Now the app is called Zero Messenger, and to find out more, you're going to want to watch this video in order to start earning some free cryptocurrency right away. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video. I'll see you over there.